Hello everyone and welcome back to our treasure home. This is Nancy. If you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications so you know the next time I upload a video. Yes, I am dubbing over a new video that was just uploaded the other day. There are some things that I forgot that I wanted to tell y'all about. This right here, whole area, is where my whiskey barrels and my other containers were at. What I'm showing here is where I threw cucumber seeds and watermelon seeds under the tree last year. Something interesting is growing. All these nice little green things popping up. Now, is that strawberries? Is it blueberries? Could be anything. Right about here, that was a stick that was up. That was my blueberry bush from last year in the whiskey barrel that I think died. But I'm going to show you right about there is something growing. Is it strawberries? Is it blueberries? I don't know, but it's going to be fun to find out. And all the other green little things coming up, that could be from flowers to leeks to carrots to onions. A butterfly mix that I planted in one of the barrels. Now the different color soil between the mulch is where all my strawberry seeds were planted in a grow bag, and I just dumped it all out because I wanted to see what would happen. Now over here throughout the whole mulch, some of this is grass, some of it is not. So we got stuff growing there, we have something growing there, we got little things here and there. Some fun, interesting things growing. I don't know. But here comes the big surprise. Are you ready? Because I was shocked myself. Something growing in the bushes. And what can it be? Some onions. Now, the only thing I could think of is that when the landscaping people came over and put the new mulch down, they spread things around and the seeds got underneath the tree. So that's where the onions start to grow. What is on there? I have no idea. I cannot reach those onions to pull them. And Anastasia doesn't want to get underneath there and pull it because she doesn't want to touch what's on there. Now this little guy I'm going to leave there because I want to see how big he gets. I don't think he's going to get any bigger than what he is. However, that is something I would like to see. Now over here, there's something growing near the iron. Right there. So we have had fun this year. I wanted to move these barrels and all last year, but with the rain and everything, they were just so heavy. And I was going to move them down when it got cold, but then it was too cold to be outside. So finally, last month, March, April, I was able to dump it all out with some help, and we, left everything there and moved everything to the back. So if you haven't, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications.